Welcome. If you want to connect your Mi Smart Antibacterial Humidifier to your Android smartphone, at the first you have to plug your humidifier to the power supply with this cable, and when this icon is blinking, it means that it's turned on. Next we have to move to our smartphone, so we have to download Mi Home application. So if you download this app from the Play Store, you have to enter, and then when you want to connect, you have to tap right here on this marker on the right upper corner. We have to turn on Bluetooth, so click here, and then we have to set localization, so click here, turn on location, go back to your app, and right now it is scanning for the nearby devices, and as you can see, here we can find the first device, Mi Smart Kettle, but we are waiting for our humidifier. So just wait until it pops on the screen. If it is not going to happen, we are going to use this button right here on our device. So just be patient. Okay, as you can see, it's not going to happen. So let's put the smartphone right here. And then we have to click and hold this button. So click and hold, keep holding. Okay, right now we can release this button. And then we have to make something like that. So we have to go back from this app and enter one more time by this switcher in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, the Mi Smart Antibacterial Humidifier pops on the available devices, so we have to simply tap on it to connect. Click to connect to another router. We have to choose available Wi-Fi network, so I'm going for this one, for example, and let me just input the password. Okay, and if you input password, you have to accept this stuff right here by tapping. Click next. We have to bring our phone near humidifier, so just keep holding it like that. Click connect. As you can see, connection is successful. Right now we have to wait. Okay, right now we can select room, so I'm going to leave it with the living room. So click, then tap next. We can change name of our device, but I'm leaving it like that. Click next. As you can see right now we can start it. So click, tap agree, and as you can see right now it's turned on, and here we can also the relative humidity and information about the dump. And here we are able to adjust our device. So that's how we can connect Mi Smart Antibacterial Humidifier to your Android phone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!